abseiling down from crags and scaling up cliffs. We're rock climbing on the remote Hong Kong island, and this is Turn and Fern. Welcome to a brand new series of Turn and Fern. So in this series, we're gonna visit 5 different Hong Kong rock climbing spots, from beginner to expert. And today we have a coach with us, and you are?
Hey, I'm Prashant, and we are in Tung Lung Island, and today we're gonna do a lot of climbing and an epic abseil in Hong Kong.
So we have another coach behind the camera, and
Hi.
he's Ben.
I'm Ben.
And I'm here as well. So DJ will be with us along this series, so let's go now. Once the summer rains subside and the winter waters get too cold to coast there, Hong Kong's granites and volcanic outcrops come into their own. The steep cliffs that surround the city offer some excellent climbing routes with amazing mountain, island, and city views. In this series, we set out to discover some of the best climbs in Hong Kong, while learning new skills along the way. To kick things off, we take a fast boat from Sai Wan Ho and make our way to one of the best climbing spots in Hong Kong, Tung Lung Chau. Following the concrete path, we stop at a grocery store and prepare for the climb. Harness is secured us to the rope or the anchor point.
Professional.
Carabiner, the connecting device. ATC, a belay and rappel device. But before we head over to the crag,
So I was out running this morning and I fell on my ankle. I twisted my ankle, so I'm going to let George lead the way on the difficult climbs. I'm going to just take it easy.
after gearing up, we pass through a camping ground. Following a dirt path and scrambling down a short cliff, we arrive at the top of the technical wall, a 30-meter tall, steep crag. Ben leads me to the edge and tells me to descend straight down to the bottom.
No, someone has to go first.
Yeah, go.
But not me.
Yes. Okay, keep the roof going. Don't bend your knee. Okay, keep lean back. Lean back.
Yeah, I did.
Keep the roof going. Keep the roof going. Keep the roof.
Is it going now?
Yeah, stop.
I'm hungry for that.
My first abseiling experience was pretty exciting, but maybe not as exciting as DJ's.
So we've done the first abseil. We're coming over here now to try a climb. Now, obviously, George struggled a lot with that abseil. Came very close to death, as you saw, or what he perceives as death. Let's see how he does on the climb.
According to Ben, the difficulty grade of climbing scales from level 4 to level 9. The first climb we are going to do, the cast off, is the level 4 beginner climb. Ben climbs up quickly to set up the anchors to the boat, and it's now time for us to chalk up and climb.
As you climb, try and remember that you climb on your legs.
Yeah.
It's like climbing a staircase, you know, get your legs up,
Okay.
stand up on it, get your legs up, stand up on
Okay.
it. That's how it works.
Sports climbing is very different and much more difficult than the climbing we have done during the hikes in the past. The footholds are too thin to stand easily on, and the handholds often little more than a thin sliver of granite. It's exhausting work just to keep balanced.
It's so much harder than I thought. It looks quite easy when I saw DJ climbing up, but it's really scary. Oh my god.
Don't look down, George.
Okay.
We abseil back down.
Try to open your hand. Try to open your hand.
Open my hand wide for what?
Try it.
For what?
Let go, come
Let
on.
go, let go, let go.
Hands up, whoa! Stay out, stay out.
Ben and Prashant are both expert climbers. Keen to learn how the pros do it, they give us a quick demonstration on the level 5+ walk, the Black Corner. After the first climb, we head back to the grocery store. As DJ's ankle injury is getting worse, Ben offers him a massage to ease the swelling.
This
It's like a 小笼包.
Yes.
Twist your ankle. That's a lot.
Relax, okay?
After lunch, we follow a dirt path up to the other side of the valley and arrive at the second climb area of the day, the Sea Gully.
So tell us a little bit about what we're going to do this afternoon.
Right, so we're gonna go to Sea Gully and we're gonna do a couple of lead climbs. We're gonna put you up into some challenging climbs out here. That's what we're going to do.
How you feel about that, George?
Yeah, it does look easier. Look at the cliff. It looks very easy. I can do it without using a rope.
Our instructors have upped the game with a level 5 for the second climb. Prashant quickly sets up the ropes for us, and it's my turn to climb first.
I need help. Where should I go?
After studying my ascent, next up, DJ is keen to improve on my performance.
So George went up with 2 legs. I'm going to try and do it with 1 leg. Bit of a challenge for me. That was pretty easy. I don't know what George was on about.
Finished it for the day, DJ and I get to sit back as Ben and Prashant take on the blade. As the name indicates, the level 7A route is a steep and technical climb which gets harder the closer you get to the top. As the lights fade, we pack up for what was a thrilling day to return back to the ferry pier and on to our ride home. So that's the end of this episode. It was a really exciting day. Thank you, my coaches. Thank you. How do you guys feel?
It was a great day. It was nice to see him doing all the climbs. We did some hard climbs. Epic day ever.
We'll see at the end of the day, the line, what happened to him.
How about you, DJ?
Well, for me, I think I won today. I was by far the fastest. No?
So that's the end of this episode. So if you like our show, don't forget to like our Facebook page and go subscribe to our YouTube channel. For now, my name is George.
Prashant.
Ben.
And this is John and Fern. My heart's broken seeing DJ walking like this. Our hero has fallen.
It even happens to the best of us. It's unbelievable.
Oh, can you see my tears?